So guys, andito kami sa malapit to sa Kuawan Station. Tour namin kayo sa Hotel. Walking distance na siya. Ayan siya. Diba? Magulo sa loob. Ito yung reception. Ano na, Han? Ayan, pasok tayo. Anong ticket natin, Han?
Ay, let's go 22,
16th floor, pang 16 kami. Tour namin kayo sa room namin. Han, ikaw magsalita, Han, ha?
Hi guys, so we're very tired today. We had just dinner with my boss. Sa Buba, ano Buba ba? Buddha something. Nakakatuwa guys, it's all Pinoy. Yung mga staff nila, puro mga Pinoy. And then, yeah, we just got home and now we're going to do a home tour. Home tour? Hotel.
Expect nyo na medyo magulo.
Yeah.
Siyempre. Ito kami, 1605. Ito yung harapan mo. At Jureng!
So, yan guys. So, we are currently staying at O Hotel
May brief ko pa.
here in Kwan Wan, very near in Kwan Wan station. So I'm going to show you around. It's not that spacious, but yeah, it's manageable and it's workable.
And it's cheap.
So let me first remove my shoes, my sandals. So in this area, we have a big mirror over here. This is the whole mirror. As you can see, this is the whole big mirror, and then you have your lock. You have your little window. You can check the gas if you want. There's the aircon control, the lights control, whatsoever. So you have a little vanity table over here. You have a drawer. All my stuff. You have a telephone, water
Heater, kettle.
And then 2 bottles of water, then 2 glass, and then you have a blower, and then you have space here for your luggage. And then yeah, that's all. And then here, you have 2 single bed, and then so guys, here is the control lights for the comfort room. So comfort room is kind of spacious also. So here you have your own sink, you have your own organizer there, dalawang baso, and then meron kayong socket so you can blow your use your blow dry, and then meron silang dalawang towel na white nandito, and then meron kayong sampayan dito. And what's the good thing about this comfort room,
Exhaust
guys?
fan, no?
Meron kayong libreng soap ba to? Yan. And then the shower, kasi meron kayong heater. It comes with a heater, so
May upuan pa.
I do love the heater.
Wala lang bidet.
Yeah, there's no bidet, but heater over bidet, I'll go with heater.
Going bidet
And
shower.
going back to the main space, under our bed, we have another space for your luggages, shoes or whatsoever that you want to store inside. So yeah, so this is all the space that we have for O Hotel. This is, I think, around 3,000 plus. You can book this via Agoda or whatsoever applications or apps that you can use by booking. So yeah.
Sa rooftop.
So rooftop, guys, we're going there now, and so we're going to have a tour for you so you can see the whole area of rooftop. So let's go. Let's go na para matapos na tuhan.
Hindi na, bukas naman.
Overall, guys, what's the good thing about the reception area? It's very cold. Ang lamig talaga nila. Unlike here naman, yung aircon nila, it's 19 lang yung 19 yung pinakamalamig. Then, sinong gusto nang mainit? Siyempre, walang gusto nang mainit. So, yeah, 19, it's not that kind of very cold, but sino ba naman ang aayaw ng cold? So, yan guys. TV, wala naman, puro Chinese. It's fine. It's reasonable for the price compared to other
Yun,
rooms na
guys. Thank you
masikip.
for
So that's guys,
watching.
that's all guys, that's all guys. So we're going to tour you in the rooftop and we have time tomorrow. Yan guys, bye. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and like this video and we're going to